Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we are going to install Barge Heist script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. Now let's scroll down over here. We also have to download the dependency of the script. So let's download them both. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder, so I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. Now rename the files and remove the main from the name. That's it. Now open the heist folder, go to cfg.lua. From here, we can configure the whole script, like the cooldown timing, the requirement of the cop to start the heist, and the required item to start the heist, and the reward after completing the heist. For the required item, the default one is sandwich, so I'll be changing it to drill. And for the container item, I'll be changing it to Assault Rifle Mark II. So that's it for the config part. Now let's change the UI for the minigame. For that, open the cl.lua. Then search for skill check. Then instead of this export, add your preferable minigames export. So I'll be adding PSUI's export. So I'll be copying it from here and paste it over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now copy the name of the scripts and ensure into your server.cfg. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's teleport ourselves to the start pad location. So this is the pad from where we have to start the heist. We just need to use our target eye to interact with the pad. Then click on start heist. As you can see, you will get a notification over here. So you get a notification of go to the mark location. So let's open the map and you can see over here. So this is the location from where we have to do the heist. So let's teleport ourselves over here. So as you can see, that is the location from where we have to do the heist. So let's give ourselves a weapon. So we have to kill all the guards in here. So okay, after killing the guards, we have to open this container. For that, we need an item called drill. Now let's open the container. For that, interact the container with your target eye, then click on open container. So as you can see the animation of opening the container. Now interact the box with your target eye, then click on open crate. Now you have to solve the minigame. After that, your crate will be opened. So as you can see over here, we got an Assault Rifle Mark II over here in our inventory. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.